Welcome back to my Chanel Motospectrum. Today, we're unboxing and testing the RC Yamaha R9 bike. This is no ordinary toy. It's an incredibly detailed, high-performance ride-on bike that brings the experience of Yamaha's legendary R9 right to your fingertips. Let's jump right into it. The box with the Yamaha R9 bike is shown being opened. As the box is opened, it's clear that the packaging is sleek and protective. Inside, you'll find the RC Yamaha R9 bike, a remote control, and the necessary accessories for assembly. The bike is removed from the box and placed on a table. Now, take a look at this beauty. The attention to detail is stunning. From the sleek bodywork to the sporty graphics, it's almost like holding a miniature version of the real Yamaha R9. The build quality feels premium, the material is sturdy, and the bike looks ready to hit the road. Various parts of the enthusiast bike, such as the wheels, handlebars, and control system, are shown. Let's check out some of the standout features. First off, these realistic wheels have solid traction, perfect for smooth rides and sharp turns. The handlebars are ergonomically designed for easy control, and the suspension gives it that smooth, real-world bike feel. The remote control is shown. The remote control is user-friendly, offering full control over acceleration, turning, and braking. And look at this, the LED headlights. It even has working lights for added realism, just like the real Yamaha R9. The bike is assembled by attaching the handlebars and inserting the battery. The assembly process is straightforward. Attach the handlebars, insert the battery, and you're ready to go. It takes less than 10 minutes to set everything up. The bike is taken outside for a test ride, zooming along with sharp turns and smooth handling. Now, for the test ride. The performance is impressive for a ride-on toy. The acceleration is smooth, and the control is responsive. The handling is sharp, and it's easy to make tight turns. The bike is surprisingly fast, and the suspension works well, even on rough terrain. The bike is stopped, and a final review is given. The RC Yamaha R9 is more than just a cool-looking toy. It's a well-crafted, high-performance RC vehicle that delivers an incredible ride. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a fun, realistic ride-on bike, the Yamaha R9 doesn't disappoint. If you enjoyed this unboxing and test ride,